What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Saul, and today I'm bringing you guys another video of my 2015 Mustang. In the last video I installed the back headlights, painted them black, tinted, pretty nice. Rims, and it's a V6 convertible. And I put the Roush pipes. Sounds, for my opinion, it sounds like a V8, but I don't know what your opinion is. And then let's see how it sounds. Sounds pretty nice. I don't know what's your opinion, but I'm thinking of probably putting in front all this red carbon fiber. Still need to order it. Want to put this in the front, this side too, and then maybe the steering wheel, but I'm not too sure. Probably maybe this. But little by little, I'm gonna start fixing up the Mustang. Hopefully you guys watch my videos. Hopefully you guys subscribe, like, hit the notification button for more videos kind of like this. And maybe I have some rims I'm probably thinking of putting. These. I have the 4 sets, but I still need to clean them a little bit. They're kind of dirty. Or maybe paint the black and then leave the chrome. The tires are good, in good condition. So basically, that's my goal and my plan for the Mustang. Then once I put those rims, take these out, or maybe leave these, I'm not too sure. Whatever, how it's gonna look, but these are nice, but in my opinion, they're kind of too small for the Mustang. But hopefully I get it soon, and then we'll see little by little how it starts looking with the rims and the red carbon fiber, and hopefully in the future I can show you guys what's the progress for the Mustang. But for now, that's it, guys. And hopefully you guys like the video. Like I said, like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification button so I can start posting more videos. And yep, have a nice day.